So we're going to do a pre-sound check. Neutral. And... Ooh. Just a little bit warmed up, so you can hear what's going on. CDR 250R.